Welcome to BrainFeed magazine. From this article you will learn what is déjà vu and why does it occur. Let's get started. Déjà vu is a French phrase that literally means already seen. It is a common experience of feeling as though you have already lived through the present situation before, even though you know you cannot have. The feeling is often accompanied by a sense of familiarity, strangeness, and confusion. While the precise cause of déjà vu remains elusive, researchers have proposed several theories to explain this intriguing occurrence. Theory of memory mismatch. One prominent theory suggests that déjà vu arises from a temporary disruption or mismatch in the brain's memory processing. Under this theory, the brain's hippocampus, which plays a crucial role in memory formation, may temporarily malfunction, causing it to incorrectly encode a new experience as a memory. Alternatively, the prefrontal cortex, which is involved in conscious awareness and decision-making, may misinterpret a new experience as a familiar one. Theory of split perception. Another theory proposes that déjà vu stems from a split perception or processing of sensory information. This occurs when the brain receives incomplete or fragmented sensory input, leading to a delay in processing the entire experience. Later, when you fully perceive the scene, the brain may recognize the fragments of information it had processed earlier, creating a feeling of familiarity even though the entire scene is new. Déjà vu research. One of the most significant advancements in déjà vu research has been the identification of specific brain regions associated with the experience. Studies using functional MRI have shown that déjà vu is accompanied by increased activity in several brain areas, including the hippocampus, prefrontal cortex, and posterior cingulate cortex. These findings suggest that déjà vu may arise from a temporary disruption in the communication between these brain regions, leading to a mismatch between the processing of new information and the retrieval of stored memories. Déjà vu remains a complex and not fully understood phenomenon, and no single theory or explanation can account for all instances of déjà vu. Research in this area continues, and ongoing studies aim to uncover more about the underlying mechanisms and causes of déjà vu. That brings us to the end of this article. You have learned: what is déjà vu and why does it occur? Theories propose to explain the phenomenon of déjà vu. About significant advancements in déjà vu research. We hope you liked this article. Stay tuned to BrainFeed TV, our YouTube channel.